Do subscribe to Ekeeda channel and press bell icon to get updates about latest engineering, HSC and IIT JEE main and advanced videos.
Hello students, today we are studying chapter Excretion and Osmoregulation. In that we are studying topic Antidiuretic Hormone, or simply you say it ADH. Do you all know that there is a hormone whose absence could lead to diabetes insipidus? Yes, it's ADH, and today we'll be studying about that. ADH, or you say it antidiuretic hormone. Now, lack of ADH in human beings could lead to dilution of your urine, and that will eventually lead to diabetes insipidus. Now, antidiuretic hormone or ADH is basically produced by the pituitary gland of your brain. ADH basically promotes water retention by the kidney and its secretion, also the absorption of salts or reabsorption of salts from your body fluids are looked down upon by ADH. Antidiuretic hormone, or you simply said ADH. Now, ADH is produced by the pituitary gland of the brain or hypothalamus, you say. It is one of the factors or enzymes or hormones, you say, that influence urine production. Now, ADH promotes water retention by the kidney and its secretion is regulated by the feedback loop involving blood, water, and salt bases. Also, ADH makes sure that the kidney tubules reabsorb water to concentrate the urine formation in human individuals. So whenever the blood water levels of your body are too high, even one drinks a lot of liquid still, This acts as a negative feedback to inhibit the secretion of ADH or antidiuretic hormones in your body. So more water is released. Now ethanol also secretion of ADH also when one consumes alcoholic beverages is at risk. So whenever ethanol is consumed, a person can get ADH secretion hampered, or there would be less ADH secretion. Also, alcoholic beverages could determine or they may stop ADH secretion. Now, there are many diuretics. When I talk about diuretics, they include caffeine and alcohol that work against the secretion of ADH or antidiuretic hormone. Students, I hope you are very clear with this concept of how antidiuretic hormones work and how they affect the reabsorption or presence of water in the kidney, and I hope you all are very clear with this concept of ADH. Thank you.